Hi everyone. Welcome back to Did You Know? Today, we're going to talk about something that sounds completely made up, but it's 100% real. You have a second brain, and it's hiding inside your stomach. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system, and it has over 500 million neurons. That's more neurons than a cat has in its cerebral cortex. This hidden brain controls way more than you'd ever guess, from your mood to your immune system. So let's explore why your gut might actually be one of the smartest parts of your body. Did you know your gut has more neurons than your spinal cord? We're talking about 500 million nerve cells lining your entire digestive system, from your throat all the way down. And here's the wild part, your gut can work completely on its own without any instructions from your brain. If you cut the connection between your brain and your gut, your digestive system would just keep on working like nothing happened. It's the only organ in your body that can do that. Your stomach is basically an independent thinker living rent-free inside you. Okay, this one is crazy. Did you know that about 90% of your body's serotonin is actually made in your gut, not your brain? Now, this gut serotonin mostly helps with digestion. It doesn't directly affect your mood the way brain serotonin does. But your gut still influences how you feel through the vagus nerve and your microbiome. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you were nervous? Or felt sick when you were really scared? That's your gut brain talking to your head brain through something called the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in your body. It's like a direct phone line between your belly and your brain, and they're texting each other all day long. Here's something that will blow your mind. Your stomach actually has taste receptors, the same kind you have on your tongue. But they don't help you taste food the way your mouth does. Instead, these gut taste buds detect what kind of nutrients are in your food and send signals to your brain about what your body needs. They can sense sugar, protein, fat, and even bitter toxins. So when you get a craving for something specific, it might actually be your stomach telling your brain exactly what it needs. Your gut is literally placing orders. Did you know you have about 38 trillion bacteria living in your gut right now? That's more bacteria than you have human cells in your entire body. These tiny organisms are called your gut microbiome, and they're not just sitting around. They help you digest food, fight off bad germs, produce vitamins, and even help regulate your emotions. Every person's microbiome is completely unique, like a fingerprint. So you have roughly the same number of bacteria as human cells. You're basically half bacteria. So let's go over what we just learned. Your gut has 500 million neurons and can work completely on its own. It makes 90% of your body's serotonin and talks to your brain all day. Your stomach has its own taste buds that order food for your brain. And you have 38 trillion bacteria in your belly that basically run the show. Your gut really might be smarter than you think. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Next time, we're diving into something incredible. Did you know that honey never goes bad? Scientists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs and it was still perfectly edible. See you next time.